What if? What if I tell you that you can start your YouTube journey either as a singer or as a vlogger if you watch this video till the very end? With the links given down in the description box of the gears I use and with some experiences of my short YouTube journey, I am definitely that you will gain the confidence you need to start your journey, and I'll be glad to share mine. सो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले कुछ पॉइंट्स मैं बताना चाहता हूँ आपको. दिस इज नॉट अ स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो. एक भी ब्रांड ने मुझे स्पॉन्सर नहीं करा है. दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट्स विच ईदर आई हैव यूज्ड और आई एम यूजिंग और आई हैव हर्ड indefinite amount of good reviews for them. And ये कोई एक प्रोफेशनल वीडियो नहीं है where I'll be giving you the gears and the suggestion to start a home studio. मेरे पास खुद home studio नहीं है. I am just recording this in my bedroom. But the most budget friendly and performance oriented products will be given in the description box. You'll not be paying even a penny extra for the products. जो price Amazon पे given होगा वही price is the final amount. It's just that I am getting associated with Amazon, so I'll be getting some part of it and it will help me grow here as well as on my Instagram. Why I'm creating this video? Because I got a lot of DMs and a lot of messages from my friends on WhatsApp कि यार तू कौन सा माइक यूज़ करता है और how I am recording the videos at home and कैसे edit कर रहा हूँ, कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. So I thought why not expand my experience and how I am creating my videos to the wider world, not just the 10 to 15 people asking me. So yeah, that's the purpose for this video, and I'll be starting with the audio devices and later the video devices. Timestamps यहाँ पे आ रहे होंगे. My suggestion will be that if you are under a budget, do start with increasing your audio quality because audio quality matters a lot यार. I have been through times where I was recording on a mobile phone. I knew sound quality अच्छी नहीं है, but I had no other way. But now इतने सारे budget friendly, budget oriented आपके पास options available हैं on Amazon and उसमें हम खुद confuse हो जाते हैं कि अब इसमें से कौन सा लें. So I'm here to help you in that area. So with that said, let's start with the first type of mic. So the first type of mic is the lavalier mic, also called the lapel mic. आपने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूअर्स एंड बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स इटसेल्फ देखा होगा आपने कि यहाँ पे इधर इन द शर्ट और इन द जैकेट यहाँ पे एक माइक लगा हुआ है छोटा सा. सो इट्स हिडन एक्चुअली. वायर बहुत लंबी होती है. लाइक अभी कैमरा में बहुत एक वानम से ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पर है एंड इससे भी लंबी वायर होती है उसकी एंड यू कैन यूज इट ईदर विद योर फोन और विद योर कैमरा. सो दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट फॉर दैट माइक. द डाउनसाइड फॉर दैट माइक इज दैट इट्स एन omnidirectional mic. Omnidirectional is that it catches sound from all the directions, and I'll not be suggesting you that mic for singing purposes, but if you are like say starting a channel like I'm speaking right now to you or either a podcast or any other informational channel, then definitely you can use that type of mic. And my suggestion will be the Mauno AU400. I know बहुत लोग बोल रहे होंगे मैंने कंपनी सुनी भी नहीं है. मैंने भी नहीं सुनी थी, but when I bought the condenser mic for singing, the quality is top notch. मतलब I was amazed to see कि Mauno जैसी कंपनी जो मैंने सुनी भी नहीं है, it's creating such a good product, and it's been months I've been using that mic and I have no complaints from that product. For the lapel mic, I have seen lots and lots of review videos and I used that mic once while I was with my friend, and that mic did a brilliant job with the price point. It just cost 550 rupees and in that price range it is doing an amazing job. For those who know something about the audio department, Rode is like taking the road. It's like slaying every brand with coming in its way because Rode's products are top notch, but उसी के साथ साथ they are really expensive. The one I'm using right now is the Rode Video Micro. इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. So, but yeah, I'll be suggesting you the Mauno one. But if you want कि यार Rode का ही लेना है for the name, and obviously sound थोड़ी better होगी उससे from the Mauno one because the Rode one is costing 6,000 rupees and the Mauno one is costing just almost 600 rupees. So yeah, both the links will be down in the description box. You can check them out and let's move to the other mic. So the next type of mic we'll be talking about is the shotgun mic, and which I'm using right now. Shotgun mics are basically a cardioid pattern following mic. अब cardioid pattern क्या होता है? Cardioid pattern is basically the shape of your heart and it catches a sound थोड़ी सी साइड से and majorly from the front. back से नहीं catch करता ये. so that's a plus point. But yet again, I'll not be recommending this for singing. It's the best mic for vlogging. Vlogging के लिए you can go for the shotgun mic because you are holding your camera right here. हाँ एकदम ऐसे इसमें नहीं पकड़ा हुआ है. So lapel mic में क्या होता है, उसकी वायर होती है, so you'll not be able to talk much. Like बात कर पाओगे but हिलते हिलते तार गिर गई, कहीं गिर गई. दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू द कैमरा. कैमरा की बैटरी यूज़ करता है, किसी किसी की खुद की बैटरी भी होती है, बट दे आर टिपिकली एक्सपेंसिव माइक्स. एंड बैठ जाता हूँ. सो लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, आई एम व्लॉगिंग, सो एक बहुत हैंडी आ जाता है माइक वाइल टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज, एंड द साउंड क्वालिटी इज सुपर्ब. So if you want to make such type of videos, you can use this mic. Starting in the ending of my music videos generally and all the vlogs I shoot with this mic. The mic is the Rode Video Micro. एक सेकंड इसको वापस स्टैंड पे रख देते हैं. तो इसका कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं है. बेसिकली दिस वन इज इटसेल्फ अ बजट वन. Rode Video Micro will cost around 5,500 and Rode के बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स भी आते हैं shotgun mics and they are literally costing around 12 to 13 and somewhat around 22. So this one is the budget oriented one. This will be using your camera's battery. जो expensive वाले हैं they have their own battery and metallic body है. इसकी body बहुत छोटी सी है. So I think that this is a really good option for those who want to start vlogging and इससे better नहीं मिलेगा आपको कहीं भी. My favorite. This is the condenser mic from Mauno AU04 and इस माइक के आती मेरी म्यूजिकल जर्नी खुद बदल गई. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, मैं खुद फ़ोन से रिकॉर्ड करता था. जितनी भी कोशिश कर लेता था ऑडियो क्वालिटी उतनी अच्छी नहीं होती थी. सो देयर आर टू कैटेगरीज ऑफ माइक्स इन दिस वन इटसेल्फ. वन इज द यूएसबी प्लग एंड प्ले विच आई एम यूजिंग. सिंपली लैपटॉप है, उसके पोर्ट में यू कैन इंसर्ट एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. ऑन द अदर हैंड देयर इज वन विद द फैंटम पावर. फैंटम पावर में यू विल बी नीडिंग अ साउंड कार्ड. मैं इतना डिटेल में प्रोडक्ट्स का रिव्यू नहीं कर रहा. माउनो AU03 will cost you around just 2,500. उसके बाद आपको साउंड कार्ड चाहिए होगा. माउनो AU04 is going to cost you around 5,500 या 5,500 and that's a simple plug and play. अगर आपको ये एक्सपेंसिव लग रहा है तो मैं रोड की शायद बात भी नहीं कर सकता. That will cost you around 31,000 rupees. And that's a full-fledged studio mic. Like if you're setting up your studio, that's the mic you're gonna need. And बहुत ही top-notch quality का mic है. The one I recorded Unplugged Special, that was on that mic. I recorded at my friend's place who has a home studio. And I just wanted to start my musical journey YouTube पे थोड़ा और अच्छी करनी थी. So I thought why not start with a beginner mic. धीरे सेटअप भी कर लेंगे. So but I have no complaints with the Mauno AU04. Excellent product, excellent build quality. In fact मेरा एक बार mic गिर भी चुका है but एक भी डेंट नहीं आया. So that's the quality I needed. It's a full-fledged kit. मतलब उसके अंदर आपके पास shock mount, you'll be getting the mic itself, the stand, the pop filter. With that price point, it's a perfect product for you. So now we are on the headphones part, and regarding the headphones, मैं अभी आपके सामने ही headphones देख रहा हूँ actually, and the one which I have used once or twice and I have heard a lot about is the Audio-Technica ATH M20X, and I guess इससे सस्ता and इससे budget में will be Samsung, the Samsung SR950. So these two will be linked down below in the description box. And rather than spending your money on कैसे से बालों रखे मेरे यार, कैसे से बालों रखे, मतलब क्या है. Yeah, so sorry for the coming back to the topic. Rather than spending your money on buying heavy speakers or monitors, you need a good pair of headphones, because while recording and after recording, when you're mixing in the software, you need a good pair of headphones. So I'll be suggesting the Audio-Technica ATH M20X and the Samsung SR950. So ये तो खत्म हुआ audio department. अब आते हैं my second favorite, that is the cameras. So for the cameras, I have been obsessed with DSLR since I was in grade 12th. My first purchase was this one. Exactly, this camera has been with me since 5 years, and this one is a Canon 600D. I would have recommended this one to you with eyes closed कि ले लो and start using, but sadly Canon has discontinued this product. I don't know why. तो पिछले models like Canon 1500D, that's right, वो भी market में available हैं, but I don't know ये क्यों discontinue कर रहा है. उसमें flip screen भी नहीं है, वरना मैं वो आपको recommend कर देता. So I have written down some of the cameras which I believe will be the best options. All these have a flip screen. जिनको पता नहीं है flip screen क्या है, I'll just show you. Wait. So this is the flip screen which I was talking about, and this is the sweet little mic which I told you earlier, the Rode Video Mic Pro, and बहुत अच्छा mic है, as I told you before. So yeah, coming back to the cameras, I had no problem with this camera. I have not faced any issue since 5 years. And flip screen ये रहा. The stand I'm using is this one. So as I told you earlier, वीडियो से पहले आप ऑडियो डिवाइसेस पे इन्वेस्ट करिए. ऑडियो अच्छी हो गई तो वीडियो आप अपने फ़ोन से भी रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं, एंड नॉट नेसेसरी जस्ट आईफोन. वन प्लस एंड मिड टायर्स फ़ोन में भी अब अच्छे कैमरे आने लग गए हैं. वाइड एंगल लेंसेज अवेलेबल हैं फ़ोन के कैमराज में. मेरे पास अब भी वाइड एंगल लेंस नहीं है. आई सफ़र समटाइम्स बिकॉज आई नीड टू बाय वन, बट या जैसा भी है जो भी है, so far so good. And the cameras which I'll be suggesting you, if you just want to shoot a music video and you have someone to shoot yours, like what I do is I put the camera on the stand, flip the screen, and then I record my videos by myself. So उसके लिए flip screen must है. So Canon 1500, as I told you earlier, does not have a flip screen. So कोई और आपको shoot कर रहा है तो it can be used for the beginner level, but not more than that. Canon 200D is considered the vlogger's camera as well as the M50. So both the cameras are exceptionally good and at the same price. Just a small difference, not small, I'll say a major difference, is M50 is a mirrorless camera, and without going into further details, mirrorless are better than DSLRs. Another suggestion by me will be the Sony Alpha ILCE 5100, also called Sony A5100, and 32,000 is its cost, and it's not as big as DSLR. Compact camera है and you can take it to anywhere, like malls वगैरह में vlogging करनी मुश्किल हो जाती है तो उसके लिए, or if you want to shoot your music video outside and you hitch in the beginning कि बड़े बड़े कैमरा लेके जाऊँगा तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे. So you can start with this small one. Lens is good, branding is good. Sony's camera are so in right now. It's your call which camera to purchase. If you have any other suggestions for the cameras, you can freely tell me down below in the comments. So summarizing the video right now, the products which I am recommending you are for the lapel mic Maono AU400, for the condenser mic Maono AU04, shotgun mic which is used for vlogging is the Rode Video Mic Pro, and the DSLR which I'll be suggesting you is the Canon M50. So इसके साथ जो बाकी accessories हैं, like this ring light and the stand and all, yeah, when you're purchasing the camera, हो सकता है उसकी डील में आपको ट्राईपॉड मिल जाए, बट ट्राईपॉड नहीं मिल रहा है. सो बाकी लाइक एज आई एम टेलिंग यू, जो भी छोटी छोटी एसेसरीज हैं, द रिंग लाइट, द हैंड हेल्ड स्टैंड गोरिल्ला पॉड and the big tripod, सबका लिंक ये डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगा. So yeah, you can purchase any of them if you want to start your journey on any platform you want to. It'll be really really helpful if you can purchase the products from the link given down below. And कहीं पे भी कुछ भी इशू आता है, just drop a comment down below and I'll be ready to help. अगर लिंक्स नहीं ओपन हो रहे हैं या और कोई प्रोडक्ट आपके नज़र में आया है, you want to ask me, you can either leave the comment or you can DM me on my Instagram, Anurag Kumar Music. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope मैं थोड़ी सी भी आप लोगों की हेल्प कर पाया हूँगा. And yeah, the products are given down below as I have told you throughout the video, and the links for my other videos, the vlogs and the music video, will be both right here, and you can subscribe to my channel right here. So thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye bye.